we are going to show you how to use Nmap scanner. Nmap scanner is an open source network scanner. It can be used for OS fingerprinting, port scanning, and many other scans. It can even scan the local LAN PCs for the information, or as well as it can scan the live websites. So let's use the HackTech DVD again and go to the scanning tools and install our famous scanner called Nmap, or you can say network mapper. So Nmap is the original tool, and the Nmap is the name of the GUI. So you can even call this tool as a Nmap. So both are same. So Nmap is the GUI version of Nmap, nothing else. So after this, let's start the Nmap. Go to the Nmap folder and click on Nmap GUI. You can access the same tool with the command prompt as well, but for that you need to learn the commands and all. But right now we are not going into depth of this command details. So we need to specify the IP address of, or you can say the domain name of the target. Domain name can be a website or it can be a machine IP. So on our local LAN we have a Windows 7 running. The IP address of that Windows 7 is this IP is 192.168.137.89. So we'll give the local IP 192.168.137.89. So we'll go for the intense scan initially. So let's see the output of scan. Click on scan. It will start executing the command and it will show you the details. So this is my computer. So the computer name is toshendraMachine.mshome.net. It's a domain name of the Microsoft network, and these are the discovered open port on my machine. So see, we are scanning the machine called Toshendra-PC for the open ports. So open ports are nothing but just like a open door for a machine. So whenever we find some open ports, we can access that machine using that port. So we can particular attack on that particular port. As you know that say port number 80 is a HTTP port, very famous port. Similarly, every port is these ports are open and it is reporting, and many other information can be gained from this tool. Even we can get the operating system detail of the victim side of that IP address, that which operating system that IP is using. Using that information, we can schedule our attack, and we can hack it. So you can see the scan status. The scan is running or has been finished. So we can see this scan is running. It's taking more time. Many detail will come after completing this scan on the different tabs. Except the type of scans are available. There are multiple type of scan: quick scan, ping scan, any other scans. They are so comprehensive. Yeah, this slow comprehensive scan takes lots of time and execute all possible kind of information and try to get all possible kind of information, and as well as every single detail about the victim side. This IP address, or you can say the target, can be a website. So if you put a website name over here, you'll get the detail about the server where that website has been hosted. So you can get the server detail where website has been hosted, so that you can plan your attack for the future information gathering. It's taking some time. It will scan that machine in a all possible manner. The scanning process is theoretically very strong. This machine, this Nmap tool, actually throw some raw packets or throw some particular SYN packet to the machine and try to get the response from that machine. Suppose I'm a Nmap, so I'll throw a SYN packet to the machine and I'll check what kind of response that machine is sending back to me, and I'll analyze that packet to gather the information. So I'll throw every packet on every port and we'll say whether response is coming. If the response is coming, it means the port is open. If the response is not coming, it means that port is closed. So as you can see, the OS detection try one against this, OS retrying, OS detection retrying, OS didn't match until try 3, so it executed something else. OS fingerprinting couldn't done because of some reason. The reason is I have installed the antivirus on my machine, so because of that this OS detection process has been terminated. Let's see the status. The status is still running. You can run the multiple scans and save them. See, status unsaved means scan executed completely. You can see the verbose. These are the information. These are the host script result, like which machine I'm using, which what is my MAC, what is my like domain name, work group. Every detail will be available for you. Except this, the very interesting part is this: the port have been categorized as per the type of their services running on that port. Suppose this port 80 is the protocol which is running on TCP protocol, and its services which is running on that port is HTTP. Similarly, Microsoft remote procedure call service is running on that 135 port, and many other services are running as per the configuration of that machine. Except this topology, if you'll see physically, you'll see the graphic. It will show you one graphical display. It can be a multiple machine. There is a multiple machine. It will show a tree kind of structure. It will show you the detail about the machine as well. This is the detail. This trace route of the machine and services. These are the services running on those ports, the possible services, the extra ports. We'll come to this point later. These are the host detail, and see the operating system information has been gathered, and though the signature couldn't match perfectly, but still the operating system found is somewhere near to Vista. Accuracy is 100%, but you know the Vista and Windows 7 are almost similar. And these are the open port. As you can see the logo, the open ports available 17, filtered port 0, closed port 983. Total scanned ports are 1000, and these are the detail. Last boot time of that machine is this, and IP address of this machine is this, and the MAC address of my machine, that Windows 7, which is running on a LAN, actually local network. And TCP sequence, the IDPI, these are the all other settings which are running. So topology, these are the very useful information you can have gathered about the victim machine without even touching that machine. So this is very nice. So suppose let's start with some website scanning. Let's try to scan the website. Let's try to scan www scan a company's website and see the information. So that IP address, that domain name will be converted into some IP address. That IP address is 68.178.232.100. It will scan that machine for all possible open ports and services running on that server. It will try to even analyze the operating system which is running on the host server machine. It is sometimes very useful. See, sync stealth scan timing. Listen packet is called synchronization packet, which is a part of three-way handshaking of TCP connection establishment. We pause this video for some time because it's taking some time. So this website has been scanned, and let's see the details and the result. As you can see in this verbose, lots of information, like we have discovered an open port 21 on this IP, port 80 is also open on this IP, and other thing is OS detection has been done, and these are the services and version of the services which are running on that server, and network distance is 2 hop only, and difficulty is in the TCP sequence prediction that is used in DOS attack, another session hijacking attack, is 26663, may or may not be true. And except this, the trace route is this trace route has been given. So let's see the port. These two ports has been found only. This is the topology. Now you can see the topology detail. Let's zoom. Okay, after zooming you can see this is my own machine, this is some another machine. They have shown this thing in a very nice environment, a very nice GUI. See, this is the website. The trace route has been not been done properly. This is one machine, and this is another machine, and this is actually my machine, and this is the machine from where I have connected, and this machine is kind of gateway to the all external network. Let me show you this. You can change the GUI, you can export the graphic. And it will take some time. Let's pause the video and we'll continue when this Nmap will resume. Okay, so we'll see this after topology. We'll see the information. So Microsoft Windows Vista SP1, the operating system scan is showing this. It may or may not be this because this is the suggestion from the tool, and except this, these other details are available. Mac is not available of that machine, and except this, these kind of information you can gather from about the website, about anything, or you can, if you'll go for this show comprehensive scan, it will take lots of time, it will execute. See, as you can see, these are the this is the command which are going to execute, and going to execute all scripts for this website or this target, or you can say victim. We're going to execute every kind of scan for this, and later we can save this scan for our own later study. So this is all about Nmap scan. Thanks for watching.